personal glucometer, right? I have left everything. This is the pen. You can clean in your skin, then you can collect a little blood so that you can measure the level of glucose in your blood. I have here this machine I like. I have bought 4, 2 for mine and 2 for my relatives. This is VivaCheck or VivaCheck. You can say VivaCheck, you can say VivaCheck Eco. Another one is not that beautiful. There are 2 Eco and the other one, but this one is much better, both in performance and in look. Beautiful, you see, glucometer. And there you have the box for the strips, 50 strips inside this one. In Bangladeshi price it's 750. I usually buy 2, 50 plus 50, that is 750 taka plus 750 taka, that is 1500. So we were check Eco and the other one is Eno. So the one Eno is not that beautiful. So I find this is a very nice, beautiful one, good performance. So I always keep it here, this one is this side, so I can easily this way open and I close. You always keep the lid closed, and I keep it like this, and I keep it like this. And there's also pins here. I've almost run out of pins, and if you want you can also keep some cotton. I usually don't use cotton much because personally I have fresh finger, no problem. So here you see, so I first keep it here, then I pull it out and keep it here, and you see this finger this way, so I keep it this way, yes, open, I close, I open the lid and I just put one finger in, I get it, I close it like this, right? Okay, so here you see the vertical and horizontal. So this is horizontal and this is vertical. So vertical will go inside, so vertical inside, okay, and right, this is how we can go about. So you have the time mentioned here. You can also correct it if you press it long, one by one. It's not that easy. I don't know, I'll show you right now. You can try it. If you push it long, then the number will jump, so you'll have the date and the time. You can fix it, right? So here when I put it, it turns on, the time is here. So I pull it, drag it and leave it, then I put the finger here, a big one, short one, so this one this way, so I can pierce it this way, and if I pull it, little blood, you see, little blood is enough, so I hold like this and this way. Yes, you have the sound. This is how we can measure 1 2 3 4 5. This is how we can check it with your blood level group. Hope you can find it helpful for measuring. So this is how you can measure how many points, right? And I may also tell you once again, if the reading is below 5.7, then it's alright. If it is 5.7 to 6.8 or 7, then it's pre-diabetes, and if it is above, then you have diabetes. If you have 75 grams of sugar and after 2 hours if you measure it and if it is less than 11, then it's pre-diabetes. If it is less than 7, then you don't have problem with diabetes, and if it is higher, then problem. So 33.3, that is the worst group. right? If you have more than 33.3, that's so bad, right? It should be 4 to 5, 5.6. Then if it is bad, then it will be more than 5.7, and if it is diabetes, then it's 7, like that, or plus. And if you have glucose, 75 grams of glucose, and if it is less than 11, you have no diabetes, but you have pre-diabetes. If it is 7 or less, then you have no problem after 2 hours of taking 75 grams of glucose. So that's it. I pull it out and I drop it, so that is alright. So now once again I put it back there, I put it here, and then I close it and I zip out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.